Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we explore a fascinating development in the world of Solana, a blockchain project that's gaining traction for its innovative approach. Enter the Solana Airdrop Hunter, a tool that could potentially uncover hidden tokens within the Solana ecosystem. Let's dive into the details. Solana, often hailed as the Ethereum killer, has been making waves in the crypto space with its high-speed and low-cost blockchain infrastructure. Now, a new tool called the Solana Airdrop Hunter has emerged, promising to uncover hidden tokens that may have been distributed to Solana users without their knowledge. The Solana Airdrop Hunter is a decentralized application, DApp, built on the Solana blockchain that allows users to search for and claim airdrop tokens that they may be entitled to. Airdrops, for those unfamiliar, are a popular marketing tactic used by blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to users as a way to promote their project and incentivize participation. Airdrops hold significant importance within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, serving as a strategic marketing tool for blockchain projects to promote their tokens, foster community engagement, and drive adoption. These token distributions are often initiated by projects to reward existing token holders, attract new users, or incentivize specific actions within their ecosystems. Firstly, airdrops provide an effective means for projects to distribute their tokens widely and fairly among potential users. By distributing tokens for free or at a minimal cost, projects can attract a diverse user base and increase awareness of their platform and token. This widespread distribution helps bootstrap network effects and liquidity, laying a solid foundation for the project's growth and adoption. Airdrops serve as a mechanism to incentivize user participation and engagement within blockchain networks. Projects may reward users for various actions such as holding a certain token, participating in governance processes, or interacting with decentralized applications, DApps, built on the network. These incentives encourage users to actively engage with the platform, thereby increasing network activity and utility. Airdrops contribute to the democratization of wealth within the cryptocurrency space by providing users with access to valuable tokens without the need for significant financial investment. This lowers barriers to entry for new users and promotes greater inclusivity within blockchain ecosystems, empowering individuals from diverse backgrounds to participate in the emerging digital economy. The functionality of the Solana Airdrop Hunter is straightforward yet powerful, offering users a seamless way to discover and claim airdrop tokens within the Solana ecosystem. The tool operates as a decentralized application, DApp, built on the Solana blockchain, leveraging its high-speed and low-cost infrastructure to provide users with a reliable and efficient experience. To utilize the Solana Airdrop Hunter, users simply need to input their Solana wallet address into the interface of the tool. Once the address is entered, the Airdrop Hunter initiates a comprehensive scan of the Solana blockchain, searching for any airdrop tokens associated with that specific address. The scanning process is fast and automated, thanks to the high throughput and performance capabilities of the Solana blockchain. As a result, users receive real-time feedback on any airdrop tokens that have been distributed to their wallet address, along with relevant information such as token name, quantity received, and distribution date. Once the airdrop tokens are identified, users are provided with clear instructions on how to claim them, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. This may involve interacting with smart contracts, connecting to decentralized exchanges, DEXs, or performing specific actions within the Solana ecosystem, depending on the requirements set forth by the token issuer. In addition to facilitating the discovery and claiming of airdrop tokens, the Solana Airdrop Hunter also serves as a valuable resource for users seeking to stay informed about the latest token distributions within the Solana ecosystem. By providing users with visibility into their airdrop entitlements, the tool promotes greater transparency and accessibility within the crypto space. Experts within the cryptocurrency and blockchain space have offered insightful commentary on the Solana Airdrop Hunter and its potential impact on the ecosystem. Renowned figures in the industry have praised the tool for its innovative approach to uncovering hidden tokens within the Solana network, highlighting its significance in promoting transparency and accessibility for users. Expert commentary regarding the Solana Airdrop Hunter often delves into the profound implications of its role in democratizing token discovery within the Solana ecosystem. This democratization represents a fundamental shift in how users interact with and access digital assets, empowering individuals to assert greater control over their financial sovereignty and participate more actively in decentralized networks. By offering users a streamlined and accessible method to identify and claim airdrop tokens, the Solana Airdrop Hunter effectively dismantles barriers to entry and democratizes access to tokenized assets. This democratization aligns perfectly with the foundational principles of decentralization and user empowerment that are central to the ethos of the cryptocurrency movement. Experts have emphasized the potential for the Solana Airdrop Hunter to foster community engagement and collaboration within the Solana community. By providing users with a platform to discover and claim airdrop tokens, the tool creates opportunities for users to connect, share information, and collaborate on projects within the Solana ecosystem. Looking ahead, the Solana Airdrop Hunter has the potential to become an indispensable tool for Solana users seeking to maximize their participation in the ecosystem. As more users discover and utilize the tool, it could lead to increased adoption of Solana and further growth of the network. In conclusion, the Solana Airdrop Hunter represents a promising development in the world of blockchain technology, offering users a convenient way to uncover hidden tokens within the Solana ecosystem. As the crypto space continues to evolve, tools like the Airdrop Hunter play a crucial role in promoting transparency, accessibility, and user empowerment. That's all for today, and if you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Solana, the Airdrop Hunter and other exciting developments in the world of cryptocurrency.